Imagine your body is a high-performance system, but with a silent, critical failure. No matter how much you sleep, no matter how well you eat, your energy keeps disappearing. Not slowly, not randomly, but constantly. Like a battery that is leaking from the inside. This is not fatigue. This is not burnout. This is a biochemical deficit. And in most cases, the missing piece is magnesium, a mineral responsible for over 300 enzymatic reactions, including energy production, nervous regulation, and cardiac stability. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Up to 80% of people today are functionally deficient, not because they don't eat, but because they're constantly losing it. Every time you feel stress, you lose magnesium. Every cup of coffee accelerates its excretion. Every spike of sugar drains your reserves. You are not just tired, you are being depleted in real time.
To understand magnesium, we need to go deeper, inside your cells. Inside every cell are mitochondria, your biological power stations. They produce ATP, the molecule your body uses as energy. But here's what most people don't know. ATP is useless without magnesium. Without magnesium, ATP cannot activate. It's like having fuel in a car, but no ignition system. Energy exists, but your body cannot access it. This is why you can feel exhausted, even after rest. But energy is only half the story. Magnesium also controls your nervous system. It regulates NMDA receptors, the channels that control how much stimulation your brain receives. When magnesium levels drop, those channels stay open. Too many signals, too much stimulation, too much noise. Your neurons begin to fire uncontrollably. This is where anxiety begins. Not always from life circumstances, but from electrical instability inside your brain. You're not overthinking. Your neurons are overheating.
So why is this happening to almost everyone? Because modern life is perfectly designed to eliminate magnesium from your body. Let's break it down. Coffee. Each cup increases urinary magnesium loss for several hours. Sugar. For every gram of glucose processed, your body uses magnesium as a cofactor. The more sugar you consume, the more magnesium you burn. But the most dangerous factor is stress. When your body releases cortisol, it enters survival mode. Magnesium leaves the cells to relax blood vessels and muscles. It's a protective mechanism. But if stress becomes chronic, your body never replenishes it. You become depleted, like a sponge that has been squeezed too many times. And there's another layer. Even if you eat healthy, modern soil is depleted. Studies show that fruits and vegetables today contain significantly less magnesium than they did decades ago. So even with a full plate, your body remains hungry. This is not just deficiency. This is hidden starvation at a cellular level. At this point, most people think, okay, I'll just take magnesium. But this is where another mistake begins. Not all magnesium is the same. In fact, most supplements are almost useless. Magnesium oxide, the most common form, has an absorption rate of around 4%. That means 96% does nothing. It passes through your body without solving the problem. Choosing magnesium is not about quantity, it's about form. Magnesium glycinate, bound with glycine, is ideal for calming the nervous system and improving sleep. Magnesium malate, linked to malic acid, supports energy production and muscle function. But the most unique form is magnesium threonate, the only form capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier. This means it doesn't just affect your body, it directly influences your brain. Memory, learning, neural plasticity. It can literally increase the density of synaptic connections. Choosing the wrong form is not neutral, it's wasted time. When magnesium levels are restored, something subtle but powerful begins to change. The world around you stays the same,
but your internal state becomes stable. Sleep becomes deeper, not surface level, but regenerative, because magnesium activates GABA receptors, your brain's natural braking system. Muscles relax, tension disappears. Your heart rhythm stabilizes, no sudden spikes, no irregular beats, just consistency. This is not enhancement. This is normalization. Magnesium doesn't give you something new. It gives you back what your body was supposed to feel like all along. It is not a stimulant. It is a regulator, a silent conductor that keeps your entire system in balance.
Your body doesn't fail suddenly. It degrades, slowly, silently, until one day it reaches a threshold. Magnesium is one of the last buffers protecting you from that point. So the question is simple. Are you replenishing it or losing it faster than your body can recover? If you've ever felt constant fatigue, anxiety, or unexplained tension, this might not be psychological. It might be biochemical. Write in the comments, magnesium check. And subscribe to Simply Biology, where we don't just explain the body. We teach you how to understand it. Take care of your system before it forces you to.